Updating your profile details on CoxContour is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the CoxContour website or open the app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, look for the Profile or Account Settings section. This is usually found in the main menu under your account name. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile settings, find the option to edit your profile. Click on it to access the fields where you can update your information. Step 4. Update your information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRUB to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. Now you have successfully updated your profile details on CoxContour. Regularly check your information to keep it accurate and up to date.